In recent years, urban gardening has evolved from a niche hobby into a widespread movement, and in 2025, it's stronger than ever. The rise of vertical gardening allows even those in small apartments to cultivate fresh vegetables and herbs. Using modular wall planters, hydroponic towers, and hanging baskets, people maximize limited space while keeping their plants healthy. This method not only saves ground area, but also improves air quality and provides an aesthetic focal point, indoors or on balconies. Vertical gardens are especially popular for growing lettuce, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, and various herbs, making them an accessible option for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Another significant trend that continues to thrive is companion planting, which emphasizes the natural relationships between different species to boost growth and deter pests. In 2025, more gardeners are focusing on combinations like basil with tomatoes, marigolds with beans, and carrots with onions to achieve higher yields organically. The practice also supports biodiversity, attracting beneficial insects such as bees and ladybugs. Gardeners are becoming increasingly aware of soil health and biodiversity, integrating native flowers among crops to maintain a balanced ecosystem and reduce the need for chemical interventions. The concept of no-dig gardening is transforming the way enthusiasts approach soil management. Instead of traditional tilling, gardeners lay compost, mulch, and organic matter directly onto the soil surface, letting worms and microbes do the hard work. This approach preserves soil structure, reduces weed growth, and improves water retention, crucial in the face of climate change and unpredictable weather. Raised beds and container gardens also benefit from this method, making it versatile for both urban and rural settings. The no-dig philosophy is simple yet highly effective, gaining a loyal following among those seeking sustainability and minimal physical labor. Finally, smart gardening tools have become indispensable. Automated watering systems, soil sensors, and app-connected climate monitors help gardeners track conditions in real time and adjust care routines accordingly. With climate variability on the rise, these technologies ensure that crops receive optimal hydration and nutrition at the right times. Some apps even provide personalized planting calendars and pest alerts, turning even novice gardeners into confident growers. This fusion of nature and tech embodies the garden of the future, where productivity meets precision with minimal guesswork.